Happy time, how I love that. Happy time, you stay with that. Hi, I hope you like my new song, my introductory song, because this time we're going to do new picture and I'm going to do some beautiful inspirational picture for my friend who turns 40. And so I'm having here my canvas. This canvas, I need to check, it is 16 times 20 inches. And I decided to go for my quite like a rainbow palette with green, blue, yellow, orange. I would like then to add his, there is a favorite phrase the person likes, so I would like to then add the letters on them, so that's lovely. I would like, I created the stencil, cut it in the paper, so I would like to spray it, and I decided I will see how it goes, and perhaps we will add some strings, some extra details, maybe extra stencil. I will use some brush. And I was wondering about these little wooden things. They could look nice on that. So let's see the flow. How is it going and how it will look like. Life begins at 40. I know it is a very old phrase, but I still love it. So I decided I will make some lovely painting about it because I think 40 it's a lovely time. And everything is changing at 40. It is quite hard before 40. It was for me. And after 40, I discovering my true myself, which is really exciting. And discovering who actually I am. And this painting is for my friend. And I'm trying to celebrate the friendship. Did you have somebody who you would like to make happy with a present? Make some present which is really special and they will be happy. So that will actually make the relationship stronger. So that's what I would like to do. Make some lovely colors, make some lovely interesting thing, create some beautiful presents. Let's crack on, make them happy. So I done the first layer or draft or whatever you would call it, and I could see that the green doesn't look as much right. It needs a little bit something different. I'm not actually happy with that. So look at the green, and yeah, I think I'm not sure. So let's try something else. Let's embrace something a little bit different. Let's test it. And let's see, like any friendships, because with friendships, if you don't test it, if you don't have a go and try, you never know. You never could give a chance to have really lovely friends. It did actually. Let's now measure. So it is 4.5. 4.5. So let's do 4.5 here. So we need to do 4.5 and 4. Sorry, I just wanted to check. No, I need done it like this. 4.5. That's here. Let me just see. 4.5. That is. So I would like to add my string like this. So now I put it aside there I think it does look very nice. The string around. I put the sign there and let's spray it. So I did make this little mistake here. So I'm trying to like cover it with some paint. We've done our shading, and now we need to finish the golden leaf, do the final touches, and enjoy the process. Enjoy how beautiful it is and how we can go deeper into our imagination and maybe add something else. I finished my painting. I think it looks amazing. It is my first time I worked with golden leaf, and I think my friend will love it. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. I hope you like it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you find it inspirational, empowering, and it made you happy. So have a lovely day.